Okay guys, here's the wrench right here that adjusts the stick tightness. So we're just going to stick this inside here. And there's the seat is in there. Okay, we did put a little dab of paint on this stick because you can see that there's about 1/8 of an inch between the hose clamp and the paint, 1/8 of an inch. So if it becomes more than that, then you know the stick is whipping and it's starting to slide out. We also put a tagline on the stick so that if it can only slide so far, and then that tagline is going to catch it. Should that be an issue? I don't see it being an issue, but you can't be gullible and just stick it on there thinking, it's good, it's going to stay on, everybody's happy. That's not the way the world works. You have to set it up so that it's somewhat secure. We also set up the phone. This is the phone that controls the GoPro, so I can look at the phone and see what the GoPro sees. Now, I think you need to have internet for that, but we're going to find out real quick if you do or not. So I'd like to be able to see what the GoPro sees, because you can see that we put a couple lights on here for my bike. So those lights will give the camera some light. Now I know they're red, but I decided to try these ones out should we need to do them. You'll only put those on if you're in a pitch dark area like Lakeshore Drive or something. So anyways, let me grab the key. We got to get inside of here. We had to unlock the bike. Sorry. Everything's good there. Don't need to get in there anymore. We'll lock that up. Okay. We got to put our boot riding shoes on, of course. And we're going to shut you down right now. The next time I pull you up, you'll be on the back of the bike. Oh, I did want to show you a few things. Now that you got my attention. You know, I always give a description of this bike, but I'd never show anything. So what we're going to do, I'm going to put these keys in the ignition for one thing. I'm going to hit that light. Okay, first thing we're going to do, Christ, I gotta leave this on. These are Woodcraft sliders. This is a RAM phone mount. These are ST Industry tail lights. Don't get the other one. I forget what the other one is called. It's a bunch of junk. This here it's a GP Shorty. This here, this is titanium exhaust, full exhaust. And you can see we've got motor oil inside of there. We've got BT motor, the Brentune Stage 2, K&N air filter, Woodcraft sliders. Just wanted to show you a few things on the bike because I always give that description and people are like, what the fuck is Woodcraft? And then of course we do have the GoPro selfie stick right there. So we also did put in the ST Industries tail light, or I mean license plate holder with light. So you know, they make a blackout not TST for example, but someone makes a thing where you can, you know, you can black it out. There's a thing that covers it, and you hit a switch and boom, it blacks it out so the police can't see your license plate. Anyways, just want to show you a few things like that on the bike. We just did that, so now we're going to, in order to get the bike out of the garage, we do have to remove the car and then move the bike out, and then we're going to move the car back in. We're going to go for a short ride. I'm not sure where, but we're going to put on our boots right now. And that's it for this short video. The next time you see us, you'll be on the back of the bike.